Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to showcase items on your Steam profile, a great way to personalize your page and highlight your favorite in-game creations. First, open your Steam app and then log into your account using your username and password. Next, click your profile name in the top right corner and select View My Profile. After that, click Edit Profile. To use the showcase feature, you must be at least level 10 on Steam. If you're not there yet, earn experience by collecting badges and engaging with the community. Once you're eligible, scroll to the Featured Showcase section. Here you can choose items from your inventory or workshop to display. Pick ones that reflect your personality or gaming style. Now, give your showcase a title and select the items you want to feature. Then click Use this item to publish your showcase. And that's it. You've just customized your Steam profile to stand out and share your favorite content with the community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.